Need to include your NFTs in crypto statements? Hey everyone, welcome to this quick tutorial on Certi4's NFT fetching feature. I'll show you how to connect your MetaMask wallet, view your NFT holdings, and include them in your crypto statements. Let's get started. First, head to certi4.finance/app. At the top right, click the Connect Wallet button. Choose MetaMask for EVM chains. Click to connect. You can select which EVM chains to include. I'll choose Ethereum and Base, then click Connect. You'll see your address under Connected EVM Wallets. Certi4 now fetches your token balances. Check the balance table. Your MetaMask address, token names, symbols, and USD values are listed. Want to hide negligible balances? Check Hide Zero Balances here. Now let's add your NFTs. Click the Fetch NFTs button. Watch as Certi4 loads your NFT collections from Ethereum and Base chains. The balance table now includes an NFT section showing your wallet holdings with collection names, token counts, floor prices, and total estimated values. Want to hide NFTs? Click Hide NFTs to toggle them off. The table updates instantly. For the complete verification process, message signing, signature verification, and verified PDF export, refer to our first tutorial video linked on the top right of the screen. The process is identical, whether you include NFTs or not. To create an on-chain attestation of your verified statement with NFTs, refer to our second tutorial video on the top right of the screen here. The attestation process works the same way. That's it. You've successfully included your NFT holdings in your crypto statements with Certi4. Need help? Check our website footer links. If this tutorial helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and comment what features you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching.